When Leo Varadkar resigned as taoiseach and leader of Fine Gael last year, he said he didn't know what was coming next, but he was looking forward to taking the time to decide what he was going to do. Well, in recent weeks, he's been posting on social media that he's in South Africa, in particular in the Drakensberg Mountains, braving the elements, sleeping in caves, in tents on the side of the mountain, even cooking his dinner and drying his clothes at the side of a campfire. But what exactly is he doing there? Well, other people have also been posting pictures on social media from the same location at the same time. In particular, we've seen pictures of Ray Goggins, who people will be familiar with from RTE's Ultimate Hell Week. We know that he is going to be fronting a new TV show for RTE with the working title of To Hell and Back, where he will take A-list celebrities on these adventures in the most difficult areas of the world. But the production company who are producing this TV show for RTE, Diffusion Media, have refused to confirm whether or not Leo Varadkar is participating in this TV show with Ray Goggins. But they have confirmed that they are in the middle of producing this TV show and a transmission date is yet to be confirmed, as well as the official title. He's also posted other pictures from the top of the mountain above the clouds, and also when he's finished and he's come back down from the mountain enjoying a beer, saying to his followers that he had missed the rugby but he had been with the Zulus.